Justin Blake there again. Yo, people, what go on in the dance hall? Yo, what kind of... Every one of the artists them have something to say about their one another. Who hate who no like who, and who they fight to get hot again. God knows, star. I don't know, but it's nice. Yo, this is my view about the whole thing. Right now, I saw me see it. Alkaline is a youth where they stir up a lot of controversy in a dance hall. Alright, first, when the youth emerge on the scene, everybody they look and they say, yo, which youth this with the black eyeball? And without a doubt, the youth get everybody attention, and from that the youth has been consistent within career, hits after hits after hits. Regardless of the fact that Alkaline not doing any shows in Jamaica, it still doesn't stop his fan base from growing. There's a rumor going around that Alkaline said he's done with dirty Jamaica. Really? Beenie Man was the one who quoted it to a white audience while performing at a recent show, stating that Alkaline does not respect Jamaica nor his fans. Yo, people, I want to know if you remember, you know, a Beenie Man when do a song about bad mind is active. And them a watch out people business. Alkaline confirmed that it was a rumor and nothing about this story is true. He even went as far as to class Beenie Man as Big Pussy Beenie. Now, people, you don't know when you start getting successful in your life, you go have haters that come from all angles. Even the dog go hate you. Even the ants hate you. Beenie Man must remember that in the height of his career, he was also a victim of a lot of hate. History always repeats itself, and it is now evident that Beenie Man has proven himself to be one of the haters in dancehall. And right now, as far as I see it, is a long list. Aidonia posted today on his IG page. Aidonia said them boy they are geek. Justin Blake is of the assumption that it's either Masicka or Alkaline. Aidonia is throwing shots at. Remember that Masicka was throwing lyrical bombs at Aidonia in pursuit of a lyrical war, but Aidonia did not see it as a worthy battle. God no, me no know. But people, commenting in the comment section and make me know what to think. Aidonia even went further to say that them only bad in a caption. Who them? Hashtag bad anyway. And people, you know stop right there, so. Popcaan commented on Aidonia's IG post. Popcaan commented and said, them favor idiot. Nuffy, yes, you know the same brother from Portmore, chat and no stop chat. Yeah man, the same brother always MC's thing. My blood clean. Now him say my box Alkaline in him face. Oh God. Remember Alkaline did do one song and said, I caught the heavyweight now and the referee I try fight man. I wonder if that get Nuffy cross. And him never stop this of people. Him even start take out him anger upon Alkaline fans them. I call them baby, shithouse and drunkro. Now, Nuffy, watch yourself. Mine get backla them stage shows there, you know. And don't forget to know, people. Recently, Popcaan released a song throwing shots at Alkaline. And Tammy Lee released 2 songs recently throwing shots at Alkaline also. So everybody a shoot off for the youth. And the youth come like say my coat a steel. Yo, be a drama, be a mix up, be a passa. Hear me a man, Justin Blake, you know. Stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, man. And remember, you know, go up on Facebook and like the page one name Awaso. You don't know. The link down in the description section.